What's up, guys? Brick Boss here, and today I have my Ninjago City construction mock. So I'll make this for Energy Brick Productions 400 subscriber contest. Congratulations, man! And this is just kind of the mock for the contest. And Kai fell over. Let's go. Yeah, let's get right into the video. We'll go down all the specifics, all that. Before we do, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and maybe that like button while you're at it. If you're really generous, hit that bell icon so you can get all notifications from all my different videos. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers, guys. We gotta make it happen. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off by moving it over to the side. So we're gonna move it to the side, and we're gonna not go over the cops there. So this is random cop number 1 with some handcuffs in hand because he sees all the chaos happening up there. And there's a little construction port. Really? There we go. Okay. Well, and then there's an advertisement for Steep Wisdom, and there's Edna painting the wall. And it's still being painted and constructed. That's why it's all multicolored bricks. And we have a little fire alarm thingy right here. This random stud. And we have a cop with a donut, with a white donut. Okay, so we walk around, we see the back, and then we see the utility pole. And this is one of those things that they use to clean windows, I believe. Those things are called. I don't know. Comment in the comments below. I don't care. Then here's a ladder, yellow ladder. Then here are these little circular thingies. They're from the Spider-Man, Sandman set or whatever. And it leads up to the Anaconda Warrior. And then Kai is fallen. And just put him right up here. And there he is battling. And there's Nia attacking the Samurai Warrior. So basically the concept is this is a coffee shop below. They haven't put it on the sign yet, which I actually have made. And I'll try to show it at the end. So, I'm going to show you guys the interior of each one of them. Okay, guys, so here is the interior of the coffee shop. There's a little coin right there, cash register. Oh, that's just a little turning thing. For some reason, it won't turn. So it doesn't feel like turning today. I don't know what that's supposed to represent. I think it's the news, yeah. Actually, yeah, news. And, yeah, that's it for the interior of the coffee shop. Now let's go up to the apartments. Okay, guys, now here's the apartments that have not been built yet. We have Nia with her spear attacking Anaconda. So it just starts off the basic groundwork. It has a little Technic rod down the middle of it to separate the 2 rooms, and a big pole, utility pole. And yeah, basically it's just the basic bare bones of it. Right now, they're still painting it. That's why. Oh no! You phone. Okay. There we go. So yeah, that's basically the apartments. Now let's finish up this video, shall we? One quick thing. I don't know how this happened. I have no idea. Okay, guys, so that is the end of today's video. Energy Brick Productions, please consider me for your contest. And, yeah, I really like this mock, personally. I'm just hoping I can at least pay for the wedding. But, yeah, guys, this is my Ninjago City construction site. And this is the end of the video. So make sure to please drop a subscription down below. And please hit that like button. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out and bye.